I'm going to explain one of my favorite Excel functions. Now it's called Sumifs. Why this is very good for me and my best out of a lot of Excel function is it tends to give me a very specific information regarding to a specific data if I was looking for. So you might be working in a large data set, which I always do, and you just want to find out one particular aspect of that data and the total of that data. So for instance, look at this now. I've got column A, B, all the way to L. And this is the total column. Now, I want to find out the total number considering baby as one option. So baby occurs here more than once. So this is the first one, second one. I think there's one down here as well. Yeah, one here. Again, there might be some I may have not noticed, but you just want to get a quick snapshot of the total amount of baby, considering the amount of time baby has occurred. Sumifs gives you that. So the way I learned this formula, very simple. First, you have to find out where, what column has your total information. It's here. Secondly, you need to find out what column has the information or the criteria you want to get a total. It's here. Once you get those two, you're done. All you just need to do is this. Do the equal sign, do some ifs. Now, sum range. Remember I told you that? Just click on that range, put comma. The next one is criteria range. Remember I told you, where do you have the list that you want to get the sum? Here. Yeah. Do another comma again. The next point again is, what is the criteria? Now, remember we said baby. You can either click on baby and you close the bracket. Boom. You can see I've got this figure. Now it's considering the amount of time baby has appeared in this particular list. So I've got baby here. If we check, that is 25.750. Second time again here, it's 956.09. And that one. Yeah. If you do the maths, trust me, you'll get this figure. Now, to be very efficient, because you might be working on a large data set. So I'm going to throw in one of my very good favorite Excel function. It's called validation. Now, validation will simply help you to have all of these criteria in one single box. Ask me how. Don't worry, I have the answer. So what you need to do now is to go to Excel, click on data here, and go to validation. Click on validation. It comes up with this. Remember, we want to have the list here. So option, we click on list. And by the way, there is a tutorial that I have put up in YouTube that covers from basic to intermediate to expert in terms of how to use data validation. So you can check that out. So now you click on this box. What you're supposed to do is to find out where the source information is. What I tend to do, I just go in here, click on that, drag it all the way down, click OK, and that is it. It's there. So now every information is here. So what I tend to do is this. Now we'll put the formula here, equal to Sumifs. Sum range, remember, get the total, highlight the whole box. That's no problem because you want to make sure you get everything. Put a comma. Now, second point is the criteria range. Remember, where you have the deliverables or where you have the criteria you want to get. Click on that, click on that, put comma. Now you can now click into that box. Remember, that box has the validation. Close the box, click on enter. So what that simply means is this. Every time I pick on a particular one, see, changes. If I click on another one, click on the drop down. I want to get baby. See, same thing. I want to check that, changes. Want to do this, boom. Easy peasy. Thank you guys. Peace out.